Hi, I'm John from KwikStairs. I want to show you the KwikStairs product range and what it's capable of. First of all, we have the straight flight staircase. That consists of 2 strings and these 2 boxes here. Your treads and risers, your glue, your screw, everything's in those boxes. That straight flight staircase will do any floor to floor up to 2860 and any width up to 900 mil. We've got a KwikStairs Bullnose kit. That replaces the bottom tread on your straight flight, and that bullnose can be a left hand or right hand. Simple as that. Then we've got a left hand winder box. That left hand winder box is a 90-degree turn within the staircase. That's designed to fit to the straight flight anywhere, at the top, at the bottom, in the middle, and that also varies in width. It's exactly the same for the right hand winder. Obviously you just turn right as you go up your stairs instead, and again variable, and those 2 can join, so you can actually go up, turn left, then turn right. They all join together any way you like. We also have the KwikNewels. These are very simple. They're designed to sit straight over the string. We have a long newel and a short newel. The short newel is what we call a stub newel, has a hole in the top so you can put a turned extension in. This is the full range. So it's less than 1 foot deep, and that's 8 foot long. The only thing that's long, really long, are the strings, because they're 4.5 meters long. That normally goes in your skirting rack out the way. All the rest can be stocked anywhere. From that, you can do 4,500 staircases. Everything in this catalogue you can get from those products, because that's all we make. I'm going to show you what's in the kits. From the 2 strings and the 2 boxes, makes a straight flight kit. This is only a small 5 tread and a nose in we've made from the kit, but it will do a full massive staircase up to 2860, so a huge floor to floor. Then we have a right hand winder box, left hand winder box, right hand winder box, left hand winder box. Everything's in there, glue, screws, the lot. They can join, these 3 can join together any way you like, anyhow you like, any floor to floor you like, any width you like, just from those boxes. Then you can put a bullnose kit at the bottom, and it will sit at the bottom of all of those, and you get a stub newel with that. Also then we have these 2 KwikNewels. Now these newels are both the same regarding the cutout. One's just a short, so you can put an extension on it. One's a long, you don't need any extensions with that, and they're designed to cut out over the string. So from everything in this catalogue is made from those components. I want to show you how you get from stocking 6 simple products to having stairs going out on site. When your customer's on site, they've either got a set of plans, which will have a stair drawing on it, or a hole in the floor where you need the stairs to fit. That's the job of this brochure. This will show them what will fit that space or what will match their drawing. Either way, it will come down to these 6 products. So for example, if your customer needs a right hand winder 800 wide and it's 3 treads, then a turn, and then 7 treads after, simply buys a straight flight kit, which is your pair of strings and your 2 boxes and the right hand winder box. That's it. He will go on site and he will make it fit exactly to the size that's in this catalogue. In our KwikStairs catalogue, there's 4,500 staircases, all made up from 6 products. Now, there's also a helpline on there, which most times it comes through to me, and we'll do the design for you. But better than that, we have a stair planner on our website, where you put all your details in, your floor to floor, what you're trying to design, and we will do a complete design of that stairs for you and tell you at the bottom what products you need to buy. And it will also give you a printout of your stair design. So when you've got your kits, you've bought your kits and you're back on site, you know what width you've got to make your stairs, and you also know what you've got to make.